The Congress intensified its attack on the Narendra Modi-led Central Government over the reported NEET-UG 2026 examination irregularities, extending support to protesting students at Delhi's Jantar Mantar and demanding a detailed discussion in Parliament. Senior Congress leaders including Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Manish Tiwari and Vamsi Gaddam Krishna criticized the government's handling of the issue and called for greater accountability. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi described Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the most youth-hostile Prime Minister in India's history. In a post on X, he claimed that there had been 152 paper leaks, 7.5 crore students had been affected, and not a single guilty person had been punished. He also criticized the Prime Minister for not seeking the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Lok Sabha MP for Wayanad, Priyanka Gandhi criticized the police action against the protesters and urged the government to hold a detailed discussion in Parliament. She added that Rahul Gandhi had consistently raised the issue of examination irregularities. Leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge raised the matter during 0 hour, accusing the government of suppressing dissent through the use of force. He said the reported NEET-UG irregularities had shaken the confidence of lakhs of students and their families. He also referred to the ongoing Cockroach Janata Party protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, claiming that demonstrators had faced police action. The issue triggered heated exchange in the Rajya Sabha, prompting Chairman C.P. Krishna adjourned the House. Congress MP Vamsi Gaddam Krishna said that students and citizens have a democratic right to protest and question the centre's silence over demand seeking the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. On July 21st, Congress MP Manish Tiwari expressed solidarity with the protesters through a post on X, writing, "In a shadow of struggles, true freedom takes root. History turns that way where youth marches on." He followed it with the message, "Agitated students, strong nation." Rahul Gandhi and opposition MPs on July 21st met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, urging a detailed parliamentary discussion on the reported examination irregularities and the police action against protesting students. Gandhi said Parliament must discuss the government's lack of accountability and the reported brutality against students, adding that the opposition would ensure that students' voices were heard, both on the streets and inside Parliament. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.